In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Fitbod app. So this is basically an app that creates workouts for you, and you can then train with the help of this app. So once you sign in or create an account, from here, first what you want to do is go top left where it says your gym. You want to tap on it, and essentially you just want to give it some info on how much equipment you have available. So over here, as you can see, you can select either you have the full gym like me over here, or you can select over here where it says body weight only workouts. You can enable these and they're gonna be kind of set in as the normal, okay? So when you click available equipment, you can see over here, you can check what all you have or what all you do not have available. Now, from here, you can also select your fitness goals, your weightlifting experience, your circuits and supersets, cardio recommendations, etc. Okay, you can just go through these settings and then set each and every single one according to you. Then you want to go back out, and from here, what you want to do to start a workout is essentially you will have to put in some target muscles. So for example, right now we have chest and triceps, but let's say instead of this, we would rather train legs. So we're going to put in quadriceps and hamstrings, for example, and then we're going to put save. And then as you can see, it's going to start generating your next workout. There we go. It put that in. So it put in 7 exercises, all targeted towards quadriceps and hamstrings, okay? And you can, of course, add more if you want with this plus button over here, and you can add whichever one you want, or click on those 3 dots next to an exercise and then delete it from workout, make it recommend more often, less often, and even see the video instructions, exercise history, or replace the current exercise. And then once you're ready to start having this workout, you can just click start workout, and just like this, as you can see, it's going to start a timer, and you can then track how you're doing your workout. Now when you're done, you can press this pause button, and then as you can see, it says you sure you want to finish this workout, you want to press yes, and that's it. Now after this, of course, this is the basic functionality. You can also go to body down below, which is the second tab, and over here you can see how many days have passed since your last workout, and then how many fresh muscle groups you have. You can also rotate this, and after you finish workouts, it will show how many muscles have been targeted in a given week or day. You can also go to composition, top right, and you'll be able to essentially sync it with Health Connect. So if you're using that, that's good. And then you can put in your body fat percentage, your weight, lean mass, body mass index, waist, in case you got a measurement, and you know all of these. You also have targets, which is the next tab down below. Over here, as you can see, you can set your weekly targets over here for chest, shoulders, back biceps, quadriceps, hamstrings, etc. And you can see your history. You also have a log down below, bottom right, and as you can see how many workouts you've logged, and then when you've done it, and your past workouts, and so on and so forth. So those are basically the main functionalities of this app. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.